Hello and Merry post-Christmas, y'all. Now what to do with this time between Christmas and New Year's? I don't know. So I'm going to let this first part be more ASMR version because the birds are just chirping away today. So if you want to know more about how to trim feet on a wheel, check out my other video. It's in the pop-out card link, or I can link it in the description for you. But yeah, let's get on with the video. Now, one of these days, I'm going to teach myself how to tap center, but until then, I'm just slow going. So let's speed this up. Just clean this up and boop, boop, beep, boop, beep, boop, beep, 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 boop, beep, boop, bop, beep, 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 bop. Beautiful. Now let's get to glazing. Glaze in town, glaze in town. I'm just kidding. Sorry, that's a different channel. Okay, check these for any spots that need to be cleaned away and make sure your hands are clean too. If they have any oils on them, you'll leave that residue on your piece and it will act like a wax resist when you put on the glaze. Sometimes you can get away with nothing bad happening, but for the most part, it can cause crawling and pinholes. So wash those hands, my friends. Something you may or may not know about me is that I have some strange aversion to using wax resist, so I teeter the line. I like to get as close as I can without going over. And then, you know, I clean it off with a sponge when I'm done. Layering glazes, especially when they are high fire or mid-range, gets you the most beautiful results. And you will see this a little bit later on, but the glazes react with each other whenever they're layered, either one on top of the other or vice versa. And oh my Lanta, they look so pretty. Don't be afraid of experimenting and layering some of your own glazes. Guys, when I tell you these came out so pretty. Oh my Lanta. Amazing. Well, this has been a very short video, but I hope you enjoyed it. I love you guys. Whether you are new or old, please hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already. And feel free to comment below if you have anything interesting to add to this particular video. If not, I will see you guys in the next one. So stay creative, my friends. Bye.